Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to beautiful British Columbia. Well, as you can see by the clouds up there, it's not going to be beautiful for long. But what is beautiful is the Model Y, plus my lawn. Look at my lawn. Absolutely love it. So as you can tell by the opener, what we're going to do today is we're going to ceramic coat the front part of the car. I'm going to do the rest of the car later, but the front is going to be done today. I know that I'm not going to be driving it for probably 24 hours. So it's going to stay nice and warm in the garage for 24 hours, and then I'm going to take it out. So the first thing you need to do is completely wash the car. You got to get rid of all the contaminants. And for the first time, or the time you should ever, is use dishwasher soap, like the Dawn dishwashing soap, because what that'll do is cut through all the grease and the wax and all that kind of stuff. Don't use dishwasher soap to wash your car on a regular time, because it'll take all your wax and coatings off it. So let's do that first. I'm sure you've seen people do car washing before, so I'm going to put you on the tripod and we are going to fast forward through this. All right, let's get her done. Cheers. The next step is, once you've washed the car and dried it, we're going to use some isopropyl rubbing alcohol to make sure we clean the whole hood. Let's do that. So the product I'm going to use is from Avalon King. It's their Armour Shield 9. It's a great product. I've used it for all my vehicles. The package itself, it's about $100 for the box, but you can do 2 or 3 cars with it, or you can do one car 2 or 3 times. How's that? So it comes with the product itself. It comes with 3 or 4 felt and also an application block. And really all you have to do is put the felt over the application block, crack this open, put 2 or 3 drops on it, and then you want to work in horizontal or vertical, and then horizontal, making sure you cover one area. And then once it's all dried off, we're going to give it a buff. So let's go do that now. So now we've applied the product, and all we have to do is now wait 1 to 5 minutes depending on the temperature. It's colder here, so I gave it the full 5 minutes. And actually what I did is I not only just did the hood, I did the fenders as you saw, and the bumper. So now what you do is you lightly buff it off with a clean microfiber cloth. Let's give that a try. Well, there you go. She is inside, and you're supposed to keep her out of the elements for 24 to 48 hours. Elements meaning rain, snow, shit, all that kind of stuff. However, if you're in a warmer climate, they actually recommend that once you've dried it off and buffed it up, that you let it bake in the sun, as long as there's no sand or dust floating around. But we're in British Columbia and there is no sun, so she's going to be parked inside for at least the next 24 hours. I don't go back to work for another 48 hours, but I'll see if I need to pop out tomorrow. But this is very simple. You take a look at some of these detailing places, they're going to charge you anywhere from $500, $700 to do what I just did in an hour. So the product costs you anywhere from $50 to $100. And then all you got to do is take the time, 100 bucks, 1 hour, you're done. That's just for the hood and the front fenders. If I was to do the whole car, of course it would take a little longer, but it wouldn't cost more than 100 bucks, because inside that one bottle is enough, I think, to do 2 full cars. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. If this helped you out, may as well subscribe. Yeah, give it a thumbs up and all that kind of stuff that you're supposed to do with YouTube channels. Anyway, you take care, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.